boarding gate. Ayan, gate 11 packets. Medyo malayo din, ano?
Excuse me, tanong lang. Sorry, Filipino?
Oh.
Baka gusto niyo mag-help para sa mga views, mga...
Sorry, ano nga madali ako.
Ito na, pakita ko na. Hindi mag 2 minutes, hindi mag 2 minutes. Promise lang. Kita lang natin.
Gate 8:17. Doon sa dulo.
Good afternoon. For the information of all of our departing passengers traveling on Philippine Airlines on flight TR2555 bound for Tipolo, our flight for today is full and there might be overflow of luggage within the compartment of the aircraft. You are only allowed to carry one piece of carry luggage on board. It should not weigh more than 70 kilograms.
Toilet. Ayan, ito na yung boarding gate ko, guys. Ito muna ako.
Fasten your seatbelt and rubber arms around your infant space. Your life vests are found under your seats on a water landing. Remove sharp objects from your butt. Slip vests over your head, tape feet around your waist, push and to buckle. Always tape the tighten when outside the aircraft. Pull down sharply to inflation guards at the lower end. If the life vest is in place, blow into mouth shoes. Push it inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your personal face mask, which you grab the aircraft oxygen mask, move firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band, press not breathe and breathe normally. Keep mask on to revise your movement. Watch how the other passengers near you need assistance. Put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits near your seat. These exits may be behind you. In case of fire loss, smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and spot markings will lead you to this exit during evacuation. For further information, please note the safety card found in the zip pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stored in your seat pockets. Window shades open and your TV was low. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Tagbilaran. The time and convenience is 15 minutes past the hour of 3 in the afternoon, and the date today is July 31, 2023, on the Monday. Remain seated and your seatbelts are really fastened until your seatbelt signs are switched off. For an orderly manner of this embarkation, passengers must seated and await instructions for the plane. For passengers who need assistance like wheelchair, please the plane lands. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Bermejo and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened. Shall be announcing the row numbers ready for the following disembarkation. Muli, manatiling nakaupo, nakakabit ang seatbelt at nakafasten seatbelt sa naiintindihan ng kanila. Maaari naman po tumayo matapos marinig ang inyong row number para sa mga ayos na magbaba. Maraming salamat po. Once again, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Have a pleasant stay here in Tagbilaran. Good afternoon.